Students, today we will start revision of chapter Boolean algebra. In this chapter, we will do questions, which is given in your book at the last. If you have any doubt in any of the question, like solved problem or unsolved problem, you can ask. So first question I have taken here, this give duals of this expression x plus x complement y. Now, there are 3 points in the dual. One is each or sign change to and sign, means each plus sign you have to change with and sign, means dot. Or second point is each dot means and sign change to or sign, that means dot change to plus. Or next point is every zero will change to 1 or 1 to 0. Like solution of this question, dual of this expression is x dot, because plus is a or operator. You change this or operator to and operator. After that, x complement here. If no sign is there between x and y, that means it is multiplication, that is and operator. So you change this and operator to or operator, like plus and then this. Expression of this is x dot x complement plus y. This is the dual of this expression, x plus x complement y. Any doubt in this? Reply immediately. Any doubt? Is it clear to all of you?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second question is a plus 0 dot a dot 1 dot a complement. In this expression, there are operator as well as digits like 0 and 1. 0 and 1 are the binary values. So according to the rule, you have to change all dot sign to plus sign and plus sign to dot sign, and each 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So answer of this question is a dot plus sign change to dot, 0 change with 1. So a dot 1, then dot, that means and operator, change with or sign, that is plus. After that, a again plus, then 1 means 0, then plus, and then a complement. So in this way you can change expression, means find the dual of this expression. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Reply immediately. Next question is draw a logic circuit diagram of a b plus b complement c plus c complement a complement. Question is draw the logic circuit diagram for this expression, for this function ab plus b complement c plus c complement d. To make circuit diagram, here you have to use gates. So in Boolean algebra chapter, we have AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND, NOR, XOR or XNOR. These many gates are available here. In Boolean algebra, 2 gates we have, that is NAND and NOR. These are called universal gate. If question comes like name the universal gates which available in Boolean algebra, so here NAND and second one is NOR. So NAND and NOR, these two are the universal gates. So how we will make this circuit diagram with the help of basic gates? Basic gates means like AND, or NOT. So look this. First, make one line for input A and second line for input B, and find, make circuit diagram with AND, because here multiplication is given A dot B. A dot B. So dot operator works with AND gate. So AND gate like this. The result of this is AB. After that, B complement is given. B complement means NOT gate. Where complement is written, that means here we have to use NOT gate. So bring one line from here and make NOT gate. Sign of NOT is like 0. Sign of NOT is like a 0. Clear? जो NOT का sign होगा, that is 0. In NOT gate, it requires only one input. In NOT gate, it requires only one input. So one input means B as an input. The result is B complement. Result is B complement. And then it requires C. Second input is C. So C is the input. Make small gate like this. Result of this is B complement C. Similarly, one more is given here, that is C complement A complement. C complement A complement, that means again we need NOT gate to make C complement, and bring one line from here from A and make NOT gate. A NOT means A complement, and final result of this is connect with AND gate, that is C complement A complement. Now and result of AB, this A dot B, result of B complement C is here, B complement C, result of this is here. Okay, now all these results are connected with OR gate. ये OR है ना, ठीक है, connect with OR gate. So this result you have to take like this, and all the outputs of this AB, previous outputs connected with OR gate. Now we get result, final result like this. Final result. The sign of OR gate is like this. Okay, so this is called expression Y. So value of Y is Y equals to AB plus B complement C plus C complement A complement. In this manner, you can design a circuit diagram of this. Is it clear? How will you make circuit diagram of this expression, this function? Y equals to AB plus B complement C plus C complement A. First of all, you have to draw a circuit diagram for AND gate. Okay? Because A dot B is written. A dot B. So this you make with the help of AND. Similarly, next one is AND. Next one is AND. So here we need 1, 2, 3. 3 AND gates. 1 AND, 2 AND, 3 AND. Okay? How many NOT? 3 NOTs for B, C and A. So 1, 2, 3. 3 NOT gates. And final, the result we get with the help of OR gate. Because last expression is with OR gate. Okay? Plus sign is there. Is it clear? Any confusion in this? Reply immediately.
No, sir. No, all clear.
All clear. Very good. Next question. Proof algebraically yx dot y plus x complement dot z plus y dot z equals to x dot y plus x complement z. This is your question. Question is x dot y plus x complement z plus yz. This is your question. Question says that prove this expression algebraically. Algebraic means here you have to use some properties like distributive law, associative, ठीक है, और commutative or complement, or so many properties we have. So you have to apply basic property as well as different properties like distributive, commutative. Clear? So solution of this is, first you have to note down this left hand side, x dot y plus x complement y plus y dot z. Then find anything is common in this expression. Yes, here in both z is common. Z is common. But when you take z as a common, then inside the bracket only x complement plus y is left. Up, what we have to do with x complement plus y? कुछ कर सकते हैं इससे कोई सोल्यूशन निकलेगा नहीं, ठीक है? सो यू डोंट यूज दिस मेथड. अब क्या करेंगे? व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इफ नो वन थिंग इज कॉमन हियर, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई one with this. We have to multiply one with last one expression, last one, that is yz. Now we here one is multiplied with yz, the result is yz. तो एक्सप्रेशन में कोई चेंजेस नहीं आया, ठीक है? इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई विद वन इन दिस एक्सप्रेशन तो कोई चेंज है? नो. ठीक है? सो हियर वी हैव रिटन 1 dot yz. Now what is the value of 1? So we know x plus x complement equals to 1. This is the rule. X plus x complement is 1. So put this value here in this line. Here the value of 1 is x plus x complement. Why we have written only x plus x complement? Why we had not written y plus y complement or z plus z complement? हमने y plus y complement और z plus z complement क्यों नहीं लिखा instead of this x plus x complement? Anybody knows why we have taken the value of 1 is x plus x complement? Anybody knows about this? Reply. ओजस्वी,
क्या हमें प्रूफ में x और x कॉम्प्लीमेंट चाहिए?
हमें इसमें x और x कॉम्प्लीमेंट चाहिए. और सेकंड थिंग इज हियर y and z are already given. Y and z is already given. We need third one, that is x, because in this expression 3 variables are given. One is x and second one is y and third one is z. तीन चीज हमारे पास हैं, 1x, y and z. But in this y and z is present. Y and z both are present here. One thing is missing, that is called x. So here we have to put x plus x complement as a value of 1. So write this x dot y plus x complement z, then x plus x complement dot yz. Then you know distributive law. Distributive law means x multiply with this yz and x complement also multiply with yz. So by using distributive law, x y plus x complement z plus x y z plus x complement yz. Clear? X y plus x complement z plus x y z plus x complement yz. Now you have to make group of this x y and x y z. Make the group of x y and x y z, because in both x y is common. That's why I am making group of these both x y and x y z. Plus second is x complement z and x complement yz. Again here x complement z and x complement z is common in both the values. So take the common here xy. When we take xy common, here 1 is left, 1 plus z. Similarly, when I take here x complement z common, then 1 plus y is left. By the basic properties, the value of 1 plus z is 1 and 1 plus y is also 1. By the properties, the value of here, note down, 1 plus z equals to 1. Similarly, 1 plus y is also 1. So according to this, xy dot 1 plus x complement z dot 1. Result is xy plus x complement z. So this is the right hand side. Look, this xy plus x complement z. So this is our final answer. You have to solve this question like this, या in this manner in your exam. ठीक है? Exam में भी आपको ऐसे ही करना है. Each and every step you have to do in exam also. Clear? First of all, you have to note down either left hand side or right hand side which you want to solve. Here this time I am solving left hand side. Then according to question, here what x is missing. Then I have to multiply with 1 dot yz. So value of 1 is x plus x complement. Multiply, open this with the help of distributive. So x dot yz plus x complement yz, and then make the group xy and xyz, because here x and y both are common. Similarly, x complement z and x complement yz, both x complement and z is common here. Then we know the property 1 plus z equals to 1 and 1 plus y is also 1. Then final result is y plus x complement z, means left hand side equals to right hand side. Is it clear? This question is clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Question is, prove De Morgan's theorem by using truth table. By using truth table. So how we prove this? So De Morgan's first theorem says that, state that x plus y whole complement equals to x complement dot y complement. This is the first part of De Morgan's theorem. Prove this theorem with the help of truth table. So first of all, you have to write x, then y. Here we have two variables only. One is x and second one is y. Only two variables here in this expression. So means it makes maximum 4 combination because 2 to the power n. Here number of variables. N means number of variables. Number of variables are 2. Only one x and second one is y. So according to this 2 to the power 2. Result is 4. So it makes maximum 4 combination. 4 combination how? First two values like 0 and 0 and next values are 1 and 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. Then next input like this 0, then 1, 0 and then 1 like this. Then find addition means perform OR operation x plus y. So x plus y. The result of this is 0 plus 0 that is 0, 0 plus 1 that is 1, 1 plus 0, 1 and 1 plus 1 means when any one or both the inputs are true, then result is true. So this means 1 plus 1 is also 1. You don't say 1 plus 1 is 2. It is not 2 because in binary value we have only two values, either 0 or 1. Then 1 plus 1, 1. After that, find its complement. X plus y complement. So result of this 0 convert to 1, 1 convert to 0, 1 again convert to 0, 1 convert to 0. Then right hand side, the value of x is complemented. So complement of x, value of x is 0, 0, 1, 1. Now complement means reverse. So 0 converted to 1, 1, 0 converted to 1 and 1 converted to 0 and then this one converted also to 0. Then y complement. Y complement that means 0 convert to 1, then 1 to 0, then 0 to 1 and then 1 to 0. At last x complement dot y complement. Perform AND operation. X complement dot y complement. Multiply it. 1 dot 1 dot 1. 1 dot 1 means 1 multiply with 1, result is 1. 1 multiply 0, result is 0. 0 multiply 1, that is 0. 0 multiply 0, result is 0. So see this. This is the value of left hand side, x plus y to the whole complement 1, 0, 0, 0 and this is the value of right hand side. Both the values are same. Both the values are same. So according to the truth table, both are equal. So x plus y to the whole complement equals to x complement dot y complement. This is proved. So in this manner, you can prove De Morgan's first theorem. Anybody knows how we make AND gate with the help of NAND gate? Because in this class, I already says NAND and NOR. These two are the universal gate. So means with the help of universal gate, we can make any gate like with the help of NAND gate, we can make AND as well as or NOT gate. So anybody knows how we make AND gate with the help of NAND?
सर आगे बिंदी लगा देते हैं.
No, not. I'm not saying that how we make NAND gate. NAND नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ मैं आपसे, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ with the help of NAND gate how we prepare AND means to draw AND gate with the help of NAND, only NAND.
Sir, yeah.
Only NAND gate.
Hello, sir.
Yes. I'm saying. Okay. So it takes some time. How we make Anybody knows? Okay, so I start. See this, we have NAND gate. It just look like this. It just look like this. This is the symbol of NAND gate, or you know, AND like this. A dot B is a AND. If you use here A, B with the help of NAND, the result we get like A, B to the whole complement. Result is A dot B whole complement. Okay? Again, you have to use NAND gate. Because NAND is a universal gate, again you have to use NAND gate. Then, by using complement law, look this, A dot B का complement, again one more complement, because A dot B complement is an input. So A dot B का complement is an input, again one more complement. So result is only A dot B, because you know the rule, X complement का complement is equal to X. So by using this property, this rule, we say that at A dot B का complement, result is AB. So answer is AB. So in this manner, you can make AND gate using of NAND. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, if you want to make OR gate by using NAND gates only, so what you have to do? Suppose that you want to make OR gate by using NAND only, by using NAND gate. So what you have to do? You have to write this NAND gate means A to the A complement. Similarly, one more NAND, that is B complement, and final result is A complement dot B complement का complement. So means when you solve A complement dot B complement का whole complement, you will get answer like A complement to the complement plus B complement to the complement. The result is A plus B. So this is OR. Means you can make OR gate with the help of NANDs only. That's why we are saying NAND and NOR both are the universal gate. Clear?